Bruno, the bird don't want to be poked with this stick.
Skylar.
How did the stick come out the cage anyway?
Hi, Skylar. Skylar.
Wow.
It's looking at my finger, Mommy.
It is. I went ahead and say something again. Look, you started opening his mouth at me. It was like it was gonna say something. I want to get upset at something again. Look at the white one.
That one's like the one off.
I'll try to. This one like to play.
Mommy, how much money do you have?
Not $1,200.
No, not for the birds. Like,
What's going on in his wings?
I don't know. Maybe try to fly.
Ari, stop taking the stick out the bird cage. Elijah,
It's already good.
stop taking the stick out the bird cage. Let's put the stick back. I don't know why it's out.